Oh, hi.
Season premiere, Sunday, March 2059, only on TLC.
Wow.
While Jeannie Trantel spent a sleepless night reeling from her husband Stephen's arrest for bank robbery.
This was one of the jackets we recovered.
Detective James Stoker
Latex gloves.
was methodically going through the...
Hi. Hi. You're my best friend. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Hi. Buggy. I would introduce myself, but I've introduced myself a million times. You know my name is Binosaur. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. You've had your breakfast? How do you feel now? Isaac says, there is a camera pointed at me. I feel great. I'm a ham, and I love the camera. Because I'm Stormy and I'm cool. I'm tired. You want me to stop the video? You're my handsome Isaac boy. Doo-da, doo-da. You're my handsome baby boy. You're my Isaac boy. You're my handsome Isaac boy. Doo-da, doo-da. You're my handsome baby boy. And I love you so. Uh-oh, poopy time. That's embarrassing. Bye.